Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm doing a full face using only Pat Mcgrath products. I always talk about how this is my favorite makeup artist, so I really want this to be like a helpful video for those who aren't familiar with her products and just how great they are. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using her Skin Fetish primer. There's so many different primers that you can use. I had one that I really liked that was like moisturizing, but I feel like it just didn't really help my overall makeup look. And that's why I really like this one. Next, I'm gonna use her foundation. I'm in the shade Medium 18. I love that this foundation gives me that perfect undertone. To highlight, I'm gonna use her concealer in the shade M15. And I've been getting some DMs from you all, and I really appreciate them. Some of you guys have been telling me how helpful my videos have been with like learning how to do makeup and just applying it softer. I'm gonna use our powder in the shade Medium to set underneath my eyes. I know I said under my eyes, but we're just gonna set everything. This powder is good. It's really thin, so you can get away with using it wherever. Okay, so since Pat doesn't have a bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty bronzer. I like to let my lips moisturize while I'm doing my eyes, so I'm gonna use her lip balm. This is in the shade Blow Up. I'm just gonna blend this concealer out before I start my shadow. So the first shade that I'm going to go into is this warm brown for my crease. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more concealer on my lid. Such a pretty color. I'm gonna use this for my inner corner. Not too much, but I still want you to be able to see that color that's right above it. And I'm just gonna create a soft outer V, but still dark enough to where you can see that color. I'm gonna use her liner, another like top favorite product of mine because it's so jet black. I really think I just wanna focus this on like the outer corner of my eye. She came out with this like little travel size palette. So I always use this black to stamp on top of my liner to set it to make sure it doesn't move. This step is up to you too, but I really like how dark black it makes the liner after you do this step. Some black shadows will like fall all over my face when I do this step, so I just stick to this Pat Mcgrath one. I really like this palette. But she also has a highlighting stick that I really like, and this is just like a cream highlighter. I'll show you guys. This one is in the shade Golden. And the other side is just like a clear balm if you want to enhance the glow even more. I know I'm going a little overboard with the highlighter, but I really want you guys to be able to see like just how pretty the glow is. I'm gonna add a little bit of the balm for you guys to see on my nose. I'm gonna go over where we already applied highlighter. Yeah, so it definitely intensifies that highlight, and then it just gives it more of like a creamy finish. She also doesn't have blushes just yet, so I'm going to use a favorite blush of mine from MAC, Eternal Sun. And it's this peach shade. I'm going to go in with some of her Fetish Eyes mascara for my lower lash line. This is in the shade Lust Angeles. The first one is Dreamscape. And I'm also going to use Flesh Astral on top of that. Here is the finished result. You guys already know I'm in love with it. I hope I turned some of you into new Pat McGrath fans because I love her so much, love her brand. Like, the quality of her products are just amazing to me. Always here for whatever she's doing, whatever she's putting out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. DM me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm reviewing the new MAC and Selena collection to celebrate her 25th anniversary of her life and legacy. So I feel like it's been a long time since I've been excited over a MAC collection, but as soon as I saw this, like, it just screamed Selena to me. I had to look up a little bit more of like the backstory to the collection. So her older sister that was in the band with her and everything, she actually helped MAC create this collection. I really love the lip products. You guys already know how much I love doing lip swatches, and these colors were really amazing. Like, all the pictures I've seen of her, I've only really seen her in reds, dark reds, or more neutral tones. So I thought this was like really spot on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it.